My name is Eunhyey. I'm a marriage and family therapist, ordained pastor, and spiritual director. I'll be leading a workshop to explore what kind of healing is possible when the ruptures and trauma and losses we have faced have no easy resolution. This is an experience that sadly many of us live with daily and have probably been praying about desperately. Or perhaps we have been exhausted and numb, too tired of being pummeled by the next wave of tragedy or injustice to pray. Either way, how can we live in and navigate the storms that these experiences keep leaving in their wake? And how can we help our communities as they reel from these traumas? In our time together, I hope to hold space for us to attend to the grief and trauma we hold in our bodies while inviting God's care, to learn tools that could facilitate healing in the continued presence of ruptures, injustices, losses, or traumas, and to experience the power of being together in our healing. Please join us as we explore these pathways to healing by registering for the conference at ourflourishing.org. Hope to see you there.